Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Sugar-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, oil-free, nut-free, flourless, low-fat, super high protein, super quick and easy, super creamy. This is the healthiest chocolate cheesecake ever made, and it's so delicious. Made with chickpeas, but no chickpea taste. Super addictive, but it's so good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw a can of drained and rinsed chickpeas into a blender. Along with half a cup of cocoa powder, a package of firm tofu, 8 matcha dates, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a cup of plant-based milk. Next, blend it until it's super smooth. And pour it into a cheesecake tin. Then bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 14 minutes. Now let it cool in the fridge. And enjoy a super delicious and super healthy chocolate cheesecake! Thanks for watching.